Did you know that a typical bank wire transfer in the US can take up to 5 business days? In contrast, a blockchain transaction like sending Bitcoin can complete in under 10 minutes. Some new blockchain networks can do it in seconds. That's not just fast, that's revolutionary. Blockchain isn't only about Bitcoin or crypto trading. It is reshaping the financial system itself. It makes transactions faster, cheaper, more secure, and more transparent. Today we'll explore how blockchain is flipping traditional finance on its head. First, let's look at traditional finance. Sending money, even within the same country, can be frustrating. If you've wired money through your bank, you know it's slow and loaded with fees. Need to send money internationally? It can take days with hefty service charges, and often there's no clear explanation for the delays. Credit card payments seem instant, but they can take 1 to 3 business days to settle fully. Plus, businesses incur interchange fees of around 2 to 3% per transaction. And we can't forget about fraud. Traditional systems depend on centralized databases, which are vulnerable to hacks and breaches. Clearly, the way we handle money is outdated, slow, expensive, and risky. Now enter blockchain. This technology acts like a decentralized ledger. No single bank or institution controls it. Every transaction is recorded across thousands of computers worldwide, making tampering nearly impossible. What does this mean for finance? First up, speed. Platforms like Ripple's XRP ledger can settle international transactions in just 3 to 5 seconds. Meanwhile, Ethereum's upgrades are cutting settlement times even further. New blockchains like Solana and Avalanche can handle thousands of transactions per second. Next, let's talk cost. Without banks and middlemen taking their cut, fees drop significantly. Sending Bitcoin across borders can cost just pennies, instead of $40 or more with traditional wires. Some blockchain networks process microtransactions, sending fractions of a cent, something traditional banks can't offer. Security and transparency come next. Blockchain transactions are immutable. Once recorded, they can't be changed. This drastically reduces fraud. Every transaction can be verified publicly, offering visibility without compromising privacy. It provides financial freedom without the baggage of old systems. Want a real-world example? Santander Bank, one of the largest banks in the world, launched OnePay FX in 2018, a blockchain-based payment system using Ripple's technology. The results? Same-day international payments, drastically reduced fees, and full transparency for customers. Before blockchain, sending money from the UK to Spain took 3 to 5 business days. Now it's done in seconds, with customers seeing exact fees and exchange rates in advance. Similarly, Visa started settling transactions over the Ethereum blockchain for USD Coin in 2021, achieving real-time settlement instead of waiting days. These aren't mere startups. These are legacy financial giants adopting blockchain because it works better. Blockchain is no longer just a buzzword. It is solving major problems in finance, slashing transaction times, cutting costs, boosting security, and enhancing transparency. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As more institutions adopt blockchain, the way we handle money could appear entirely different in just a few years. If blockchain has already achieved so much, imagine what's next. Stick around as we explore the future of finance, technology, and innovation. See you there!